Them niggas got too excited. They haven't seen females in 20 years. Them niggas bored. My nigga, we provided females for y'all to take them to have fun. And y'all doing
drown them.
Better than you, face on, better than you, acting better than you.
Let me see, next to go. I just got it. Yo, my little cousin is so good. No, I'm not with him. I'm not going.
They go. Yo, nah, they nigga life vest. We good, boy. Let's not go with him, though.
I'm not going.
Let's not go with him.
That's dead.
Let's not go with him.
Let's not go with him.
I just with the fuddy, and I'm back in his spot on my petty. Call me that B while he eating my. Take your spot, if you ain't get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knob. That is the bitch on my block. Me and Max.
Give him your phone. Give him your phone. They go home. We that told. Do not take your phone. Do not take your phone. And what she did?
I got it. Is that my cousin? No, just excuse me. Is that my cousin?
Do not take your phone. And what she did? She took her phone.
She dropped her phone? No, she got it. She got
dropped her
it.
phone.
It's on the water.
Oh, the girl.
Oh, I thought my cousin. I'm like,
No, nigga, your cousin too.
Wait. The same people fell in or they both fell in?
They both fell in.
The nigga?
Oh yeah. I would have said return me home. Return me home.
Nah, I don't want to go in the water though.
I ain't gonna lie.
You can't just give me like a 2-second ride without dropping? Like,
We gotta keep you happy and fun. But them niggas is bugging.
At this point, let me drive.
That Bacardi got me. Both of them fell, nigga. That Bacardi got me popped right now.
What you say? One more time, Scotty?
We drink Bacardi because we like to party. Yo, the phone.
Water resistant.
Oh, so we good. We good.
Water resistant.
Oh, so we good. We good.
That shit is a rice in the pound. No, it's gonna fuck it up the powder.
Yeah, you gotta put the vibration on.
Look, they fell again. Look. Again, look, over there. I was like, yo, rookie ass niggas. They fell niggas.
I'm not getting on the video. He said he has to leave. Ayana. He said he has to leave.
They be turning too quick.
Nah, yo, bro. They don't know the
They
people don't know
embarrassed.
how
They
to
embarrassed. They embarrassed. You fumbled.
There you go. When you by yourself, you could do that. When you by yourself, you got somebody, you gotta shift their weight.
I told you I can hold on to that shit.
Yeah, you feel like that?
Yeah, in the water.
They fell again, bro. And they fell deeper.
Big fat cocky make your pussy card up. Who's when you got it like it's a jump jump, baby. Use me black, baby, take a snapshot. I don't have some.
Grab her.
They got you to swim. Yeah, I can't swim.